Apache on.
Dragon X-ray,
A total of about 10 to 12 individuals actually, bro.
Dragon X-ray, go ahead.
They're in the bushes.
Roger, just
popped up.
on my big.
You see that?
Yes.
Keep eyes on.
Back and letting the blades handle their handle the situation. Kind of just hanging back from all this. Also, they've set the firing and stop for the last few minutes. Over.
They are armed.
Dragon X-ray, Roger. Do you have a grid to big?
These are enemy. I am ready to go.
Okay. Roger, as soon as they stop, they're going to get straight out.
Gun target line is 280.
Dragon X-ray, Roger.
I got it. We got 5 and this is my right. 5 of those individuals. They are ready. They're very positioned. Searching for weapons this time. Tell them I have a run in, trying to hide. Looks like kind of doing a down.
I don't know where he's at, so we...
This is Dragon X-ray, Roger. We observed them walking up until just a bit ago. It's possible they're reacting to your rotors. Over.
Okay, I got eyes on him. I'm going to pick up his... You got a total of 2 vehicles.
The delay is not play telephone just to get this confirmed out. We're just trying to work
towards those individuals.
This is Dragon X-ray, Roger. We still have the shadow.
Should see vehicles coming on.
I got him sitting there. Got a mortar too.
Houses, both of them. I'm watching the mortars. They're on move.
I'm looking for the 2 guys on the wall.
Dragon X-ray, Roger.
Hey, Dragon X-ray, Viper 5-7.
Viper 5-7, Dragon X-ray, go ahead.
Hey, look, man, these dudes are going to squirt all away from you. They are now all squirting to the north.
Got one that's on the southern end of that
Viper
field.
5-7, this is Dragon X-ray, Roger. Any squirters coming out of the house that you identify with weapons, you are cleared to engage. Over.
Roger, get me on. Belly of fire. Belly of fire.
Viper 5-7, Baker X-ray.
Firing.
Baker X-ray, Viper 5-7.
No, if you can drop down to his net, 624, over. If Viper 5-7 is Dragon X-ray, we're observing a Bradley moving towards that location. Do you have visual?
Have visual on the Bradley. We will check fire until that Bradley is clear. Check fire.
Dewalling the guns.
This is Dragon X-ray.
House of my Dragon. I got 5 personnel on the back side of that house. They're trying to hop the fence. And understand, you want us to check fire?
Yeah, check fire until you can be sure that they're clear the guys at the Bradleys.
I think I just witnessed them throw a weapon over the fence and hop it.
Alright.
Blue 1, Baker 6.
Baker 6, Viper 5-7.
I have individuals surrounded by cows.
Roger.
He's on the move.
Blue 1, Baker 6.
Maintain contact.
Brian, we're going to fly over him.
Blue 1, Roger.